Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install GParted on Ubuntu 24.04. GParted is a super handy tool for managing your hard drives and partitions, and it's perfect if you want to resize, move, or create partitions safely. So let's dive in. First, let's make sure our system is up to date. These commands I will run update your package list and installs the latest updates. It's always a good idea to do this before installing new software. Once your system is updated, installing GParted is super simple. Just type this command. Ubuntu includes GParted in its default repository, eliminating the need to download or install third-party repositories. Ubuntu will download and install GParted along with all the required dependencies. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds to a minute. After installation, you can launch GParted by searching for GParted in your Applications menu and click to open it. Once GParted opens, you'll see a visual layout of all your drives and partitions. From here, you can resize, move, format, or create partitions. But a quick warning, always make a backup before making changes to your disks to avoid data loss. Sometimes the GParted you install from the default repository is not always the latest. If you prefer a newer version of GParted, you can install it from the ExtraDeb packaging team's PPA. Well, the default repository also had the latest version, but it is not always... And that's it. You now have GParted installed on Ubuntu 24.04, and you're ready to manage your partitions safely and efficiently. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon for more Ubuntu tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.